Hello, guys. Welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. Before I continue to talk about why people are getting denial for their legalization of documents from Russian embassy, what I think, and from the information I've gathered so far, because I want to address this issue because a lot of people look to this channel to get information about Russian open door scholarship. So, before I talk about that, don't mind my camera right now. It's a little bit dark and the likes, but don't worry. Just manage it. So let's first of all subscribe to our channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification so as to get notified when any content is uploaded. Don't forget to smash the like button. Follow us on the WhatsApp group, Twitter, and Telegram. So let's get started. Like I said, open door scholarship. First of all, I will still say congratulations to everyone that was able to make it to this stage, doing your legalization of document, people that listen to advice and everything. It's been a journey all the way from September up to this moment. So you guys are almost there, at least. So now let's just address the issue. I can see a lot of comments in the group why people are saying that uh their 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 legalization is getting rejected from Russia embassy. And I try to dig deep into why, ask people around, people that have gone to the embassy. I also, a friend of mine is in Abuja, tried to reach out and everything. I also want to open doors to see what's going on. And I would say I was, based on all the information I've gathered so far, and also what I found is two things. So the first thing, initially, what I was thinking, or what I actually got at first, was because maybe some people didn't take their original document. Maybe most schools or universities in Nigeria, we only give you student copy. Maybe they were taking student copy to the Russian embassy and they were not satisfied enough. And then they decided to like, okay, I'm not convinced this document is original or is authentic. Probably they just like reject the document. So that was I was thinking initially. But when I messaged some people in the group to DM me and tell them to send me their document, I was able to see that most of these people are sending original documents or are taking original documents to the embassy and also to the Ministry of Education. So which sort of marvels me to know why. Because if you look at it, then I was able to trace back that some issue might be from the Ministry of Education, they were saying consistent signature and the likes, forged documents and the likes, and also because uh of some personal reason based, I mean, not my own personal reason, I mean like Russian embassy personal reasons. It reminds me of when we went for a visa interview and they deny some people just for no reason. They accept some people just for no reason. Even though I are saying they are rejecting some people's document, they are still accepting some people's document. So if you look at it and if you look at the document that they are accepting, there is no different. All of them are original. Then the question is, why are they rejecting the document of some people that are even submitting original documents that they went to the Minister of Education, paid the normal money, and with the amount of money they are also paying for legalization, it's so fucking annoying. But then I came to a conclusion that I would say I won't come to a conclusion. I would say I assume that they were just rejecting it. They just feel like rejecting it. Like they have no reason. The reason why I said that is because if they have a particular reason why, then they should give it. Look here, the document was rejected because we're not okay with your document. Maybe it's not original for us. Or the signature is wrong. It looks forged. They understand. If they give a particular reason, you can say, okay, like, let me fix it. This is why they are rejecting my document. But when they're not giving a particular reason why they are rejecting the document, I feel they're just trying to make money for for the embassy. Because the more document they reject, you people keep paying back, keep coming back, you keep paying more money, they keep making more money. So it's a win-win for them, but loss on the other person, which doesn't make sense. Like I said, everything I'm saying just allegedly. So it's not that I'm saying that that's what actually happened. But I will advise you guys out there, to actually uh to try again. People that are rejected. Someone told me he's going to for the third time now, which is so sad because you're wasting money. It doesn't make sense. So try again. Try to maybe if you have connect or anything over there or ask around. Maybe the person that rejected the document, ask them why, what happened, what do I need to do? Just sometimes you need to be bold. You can ask her, what do I need to do so that my document need to get approved? Or what am I you can ask them what am I doing wrong that you keep rejecting me? Just that, it's very simple. They won't beat you. The worst case is that they will not say anything. But at least ask them so as to know. Because that's how I feel. But like I said, so far, I just want to like make this video because I'm still trying to find the information as to why. Because when you know why, that is when you're able to solve a problem. So, but currently, I've not been able to find exactly why. I only have assumption and rumors that have been going around from people to people, allegedly. So, yeah, that will be all for today. Thank you very much.